Yeah. Well, that's what happens when we see a lot of maths. You get excited. Well, I'm excited. Anyways, let's look at this. Alright, I'm gonna give you about 3 to 5 seconds, but you guys know I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to figure out the equation to this. So 5 seconds starts now. Okay, so you would have figured out that you do not forego this negative sign here. So we have negative x, then minus 2 equal to, how many buggers are there altogether here? So we have 6. Alright, if you've written this, good. If you still have this equation wrong to just figure out what is going on here, you need to watch the previous videos again. Alright, seriously. Alright, if you get it wrong, you need to watch the previous videos again. So I'm going to proceed. I'm going to delete this bunch of things here. I'm going to bring this up. Okay. Now, I'm going to neutralize one by one. I only want to isolate x on the left-hand side. So what I do here is, guess what? Doing again. Yes, correct. Equal to plus 2. Whatever happens on the left-hand side, also, you need to make it happen on the right-hand side. So 2 minus 2 is nothing. I'm left with this variable here. I bring it down. I will write the entire thing here. Right? I will not discount the negative sign here. I will just write negative x. So in this side, 6 plus 2 is 8. Alright? So how do we get this negative x to become x? What we learned in the previous video is we do what? Think about it for 2 seconds. We multiply with x. Sorry, multiply with negative. So here, I also need to multiply with negative. So when I do that, negative times negative will give me x. Alright, negative x times negative will give me x. So 8 times negative sign, press on the calculator, will give you negative 8. Can you see that when there's an equal sign here, if it's a negative x, there's a shortcut for you to simplify things. You just in a way throw the x on the other side to get an x here. Alright, up for you guys to actually figure out which method works for you. And I'm going to pause here. Yes, now we're back. We have a new equation. Let's take about 5 seconds to figure out what this equation, how do you write this equation down. Probably it's too easy for you. I'm going to continue here. So there's negative x and another negative x. You should have written down negative 2x. And there's 3, there's negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. On the calculator will give you negative 3 equal to 6. Alright, we know that we have to settle the integers first. So I'm going to just plus 3 on the left hand side. So I'm going to plus 3 on the right hand side. So what will I have? I will have just negative 2x is equal to 6. Alright, so here's the thing that makes you guys stall for a while. Alright, I'm going to pause this video for a while. I'm going to rewrite everything here properly on the top. Okay, so you will have this negative 2x is equal to 6. So you may ask, sir, do I neutralize this? Do I make this negative 2x to 2x, positive 2x first? Or do I make it to from 2 units to become 1 unit first? Actually, either way, both ways can still be done. But I'm going to just show one of the ways first. We're going to just randomly try just neutralizing it to 2x, right? So what happens here on the left hand side? How do I make this negative sign become positive? I multiply with negative. So when I multiply with negative, negative 2x will give me 2x. So the right hand side, I need to multiply with negative as well. And that will give me negative 6. Okay, so 2 units is, if I were to draw this for you, okay, x equal to 6. Alright, so if I were to divide this into 2, I also need to divide this into 2. Alright, so what will it give you? Let me erase this all. While, or the abstract method would be, how does 2x become x? How does 2x become x? You divide by the number here, right? Divide by 2. Left hand side divide by 2. Right hand side also divide by 2. Alright, in this case, I give you. Okay, here's the thing. Slowly, we're going to do this. Negative 6 divide by 2. Alright, you press on the calculator, negative 6, and then you press divide by 2. Not the other way around, not 2 divided by 6. It's very important that you actually understand this. The top number, divide by 2. Alright, so in this case, when you press negative 6 divide by 2, you should get a negative 3 here. And there you have it.